In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your display scaling on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select system. And on the right side, select display. Go underneath scale and layout versus scale, change the size of text, apps, and other items. Click the drop down and you can select 125%, 150% for your HP device, or you can select the little arrow next to it to enter in a custom scaling level. And that's pretty much it. So do hope I was able to help you guys out on your HP device. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.